Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your party status in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to open your Dota 2 via the Steam client, and then on the top left side of your screen, you'll see a gear icon, which is your settings menu. Click on it. Now go to Social, and under Social, you'll see an option called Hide Party Status. Select the box right next to it. So enabling this will show you as playing alone to your friends list. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!